Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a tutorial showing how to make this cute little terrarium garden whale out of air dried clay and some dried flowers. And I used the materials I got from my Sophie and Toffee Elves box. Sorry for the late upload. Usually I would upload this kind of beforehand, but it kind of got lost in the mail, so it took a while. But here are all the other materials that came included in the box. So first I took the air dry clay and I unwrapped it, and it's pretty cool because it's like a stone texture. And I know this is probably kind of dumb, but I decided to use the entire amount to make my stone whale. So first I pinch it into a teardrop shape for the body. And then for the tail, we're gonna pinch it into a flattened teardrop shape, and I'm gonna make a little cut with some scissors and smooth out the ends to make it into a heart. And I'm going to blend that in to the tip of my teardrop shape. For the fins, I'm going to flatten out some clay into a triangle shape. And then using my blade, I'm just going to cut off the end. And then attach that to the side of my whale. And we're going to let that air dry. So it took me about 48 hours exposing the top and the bottom for it to dry. And I also had to prop up the tail, making sure that it has a nice bend to it. So it does take a little bit of time for this clay to completely dry. And then I'm gonna open up my dried flower box, and it's super colorful and it smells kind of weird because I think these are actual dried plants, but I'm not really sure because sometimes they kind of feel fake and sometimes they kind of feel real. But anyways, using my scissors, I just cut off like bits and pieces of the different plants, and we're gonna use that to kind of just make a random garden. So using my Loctite super glue, and this is the ultra gel kind, I am just adding glue onto the whale and then attaching the plants and holding it down for a few seconds, making sure that the glue is fully stuck on. And then I'm attaching different rocks to it as well, just to give it a nice garden look to it. And then you can see me just kind of mess around, like adding the different plants into the whale. So I wouldn't suggest following mine exactly because this is totally customizable, so make your dream garden. As you can see, I struggle a lot with just like my different designs. I really don't know much about like flower arrangements nor gardening, so I just kind of put it all in until I feel like it looks really full and very busy looking, because I just prefer that, I guess. But anyways, you guys can just continue to watch me just play around and add the different plants into this whale. And after gluing on the final touch, we have our finished whale garden product, or garden whale product. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comment section which kind of like flower arrangement you think would look cool on a garden wheel. Thank you.